Okay, so Archie's awesome. He's obviously very good with socializing and other dogs, people, etc. Mimi, however, is she just needs confidence, and Archie is overflowing with it, and it's awesome because he has an understanding of social etiquette. So if she's not feeling it, he backs off. But when she initiates and engages, he's ready for it. So he's allowing her space. Like he'll sniff from behind. He doesn't get in her face too much. Mimi, come. Good. Good. So he gives her time to kind of shake it off, feel it out, come back when she's ready. And this is really great because she's learning confidence from him, but he's also learning just good job, subtle nuance, and yeah, this is just really, really positive social play and interaction. Cute.